Hi, it's Matt from Octane Specialist Cars. I hope you're well. Just doing the latest walk round video of our newest addition to stock. This is an absolutely eye-watering T6.1 VW Transporter 110 Highline Kombi. Done just 28,000 miles from new with 2 owners and a full service history. What a good looking van this is, and a huge spec to back it up. It is absolutely fully loaded, this. Really cool van. It's in deep pearl black with diamond cut quilted style leather seats. It's got the 3-seat individual Kombi rear seating as well. We'll have a look at the inside in a moment. Just appreciate the way this thing looks. It just stops traffic, this. It's just absolutely beautiful. So we've got 20-inch bronze diamond cut Riviera alloy wheels, which are probably one of the nicest wheels I've seen in a long time. Look at the finish on those. These will actually be refurbished before this van goes out, but look at those, they're beautiful. You can see the finish, stunning. Just really set this off, really do. So they're 20-inch Rivieras, diamond cut. We've got LED headlights, which are really smart. DRLs in those as well. Means you can actually see in the dark in one of these, which is pretty useful. We've got park distance control. We've got quilted seats inside. We've got brand new trapezoid sidebars, which have just been fitted. Roof rails and cross rails as well. This benefits from Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, Bluetooth streaming. It's got advanced sound all the way through the vehicle. It's got adaptive cruise, and it's got front and rear sensors. It's just a huge spec. It's just a huge specification on this. It's absolutely stunning as well. I'm just going to get close to the paintwork. We've just had this, just had our detail guys on this. It's like glass. You can see yourself in the paint. Just look down the side of it. You can almost go swimming in that. It's absolutely beautiful van. 28,000 miles, 2 owners. Got to be one of the best looking vans. Really is. The paint finish is just, it's all factory. This is absolutely stunning. What a smart van. Okay, let's have a quick look inside. Here we go. All the stickers in all the right places. Quilted seats. Double armrest there to the front. It's a 6-seater van, this one. Leather steering wheel, automatic headlights, fold-in and heated mirrors, Apple CarPlay and Android Audio, air conditioning. Very nice in here. 28,000 miles. Just really nice. All the original factory glass. Cruise control, adaptive cruise. Tons and tons of spec. Really cool. The detail's just phenomenal. Moving around to the passenger side. Factory glass, as I say. Just absolutely really smart. Single sliding door, tinted glass to both sides, fully carpeted, LED headlights, LED lights in the Alcantara roof, single seats, individual seats to the rear in matching cloth with Isofix. Don't think these have ever been satin, they're like brand new. It's just lovely. Carpeted down both sides, tilting seats to the rear, additional sound and speakers in the back, fully carpeted. All the lights. The upholstery is just stunning, absolutely stunning. Just moving into the back, they've even wrapped the jack in the carpet It's just, the detail is just stunning. 6 LEDs all the way through, the Alcantara style roof lining. Additional speakers to the rear. The sound system is really, really good. Really good indeed. Paintwork to the rear is just reflecting. It's just mind-bogglingly good, that paint. As I say, factory glass all the way through. Stunning in the rear. Loads of spec in the front. Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. Seats in immaculate condition. This is a great van. This is absolutely stunning. I don't think we've even talked about all the extras it's got. It's everything will be listed on the website later today. LED headlights, roof rails and sides. What a van. It really is really, really nice, this. Quick look under the engine bay before we go. There you go. Like new. All the stickers in all the right places. No, hardly any chips, no stone chips. Couple of weak chips there, but the paintwork is just phenomenal. It really is. Like I say, this will be fully listed on our website later today. All the information will be on there. Full service history, 28,000 miles, just had a major service. Absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching. Any questions, give us a call. We've got indoor showrooms in Rochdale, North Manchester. It'd be great to show you around, or even do a FaceTime call in front of the vehicle. Should you wish to do that, we'd be more than happy to. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.